Start by making the dough for the pierogi. You can use a traditional recipe with flour, eggs, and water or sour cream. Knead the dough until it is smooth and let it rest for 30 minutes before rolling it out. Choose a variety of fillings for the pierogi such as mashed potatoes with cheese, sauerkraut, mushrooms, meat or cottage cheese. Mix the chosen filling with some butter, salt, pepper, and any desired herbs and spices. Roll out the dough to around 1/8 inch thickness and use a round cutter or glass to cut out circles for the pierogi. Place a spoonful of the filling in the center of each circle and fold the dough over to form a half-moon shape, sealing the edges firmly. Boil the pierogi in a pot of salted water for 2 to 3 minutes or until they float to the surface. Remove the pierogi from the water and place them on a tray or plate. Pan fry the pierogi in a little butter until the dough is golden brown and crispy. Serve the pierogi hot with sour cream and butter on top. You can also garnish with chopped chives or green onion for added flavor and color. Enjoy! You can keep pierogi in the fridge for up to 2 days, or in the freezer for up to 3 months.